Now, okay, now the voice is audible and the screen is visible, guys, right? Let me know that. Use chat box.
Right.
Yeah, okay. So second folder is what? Second folder is what? Second one more is there. SRC in that test, right? We will write test to test our application, right? Unit testing in the real time unit testing, Mockito mock testing, all those things is there. Those test cases we are writing in that what? In this folder, right? So for this folder, Maven is given what? Testing purpose, unit testing, for unit testing purpose, right? They given this folder. After then one more folder they given, right? Where we will write what? Where we will write what? Not audible. Pankaj.
Audible,
Audible,
Ravi.
Ravi. Audible.
Okay, okay. Check your net connection. Okay, na. Second one is what? SRC. Second one is what? SRC main is there. Main inside that what? SRC main is what? Resources. Inside this folder, right? This folder I explained what this XML Spring configuration XML file we will write inside. Means we can write here, we can take what? XML files related what? XML files. Another one is what? Just file if you need in our project, file need in our project, those files. Or we can write images in the what? Whenever we are developing our what, this application, web application, images is required, right? Images we can write, right? And property file, right? Properties file, those things we will write in this folder, right? In the Maven structure, those things we will write in this what? In these folders, right? But there are two kind of the Spring, sorry, Maven people given what? Two facility. What kind of facility? First facility they given us what? First facility is given what? To develop standalone application and to develop web application, right? So if we want to develop web application, right, which there are what? Two things we have to select, right? If we develop what? Maven standalone application. For that, Maven archi archetype, right? Yeah, archetype quick, right? Start quick start, right? This repository is there. If you want to develop what? If you want to develop what? Web application, right? If you want to web application, then you have to select this archetype, ARCH archetype hyphen web. If you want to develop what? Web application, right? Web application, then you have to select this one. For this one is the this one for web application and this one for standalone application, right? So based on which kind of application you are going to develop, right? So I'm going to what? Develop what? Standalone application. And we will see that what? This what? We will see that what? This application what? This application things, right? So now, so let's understand how and how it's look like, what? How it's look like folder structure. Means if we create the project, how it's look like, right? Just like this. Means we have created what? Project, right? Now we are creating the project, right? So like just we are taking application project, just I'm taking the name of application project, right? This is what? Application project, right? So I said that this is our working folder, right? Here we will work it, right? So now how it's look like. Now here SRC is there, right? SRC is there. Inside SRC what? Main, this is the main folder, right? Main path is there, right? So in that what? Main is there. Main is there. Inside main, right? Inside main, this Java, see Java is there, right? Now Java is there. Java is there. Okay, again inside that only, right? In the main only, right? One more resource folder is there. resources folder is there, right? Again, now this is again one more test is there, test folder is there now. So test folder is what, child of what, src, right? Child of what, src only, right? So in that what, test is there, test is there. Inside again what, one more folder is there, java folder is there, right? Now after then to work, to inject all dependency, to inject all dependency, for that what, for that in the project what, form.xml, one more xml file is there. That file name is what, form.xml. Now this is what, this is maven structure of our application, maven structure, right? No, these are already predefined. Whenever we will create the project Noor, those things will be predefined. We will not create it, right? Just I'm showing that what is the purpose of which folder. Because of that, I'm creating here, guys. Our Maven tool will follow what? Our Maven tool will follow this structure, right? This is the structure. This is structure will follow our what, Maven tool. Now here, this one is the direct child of what, src. This structure will follow what, will be followed by whom? No problem, no problem, Fahad, it will be there. Okay, now in that everything, whenever we will create what is spring maven project, here in the java we will write what, in java folder, in main java folder we will write what, our bean class under resources. In the resources, right, in the resources what we will write, xml configuration and a form.xml. In the form.xml required dependency we will put, right? This is what, this is what spring what, spring sorry, maven what, maven folder structure, right? This is what maven folder structure. So now let's create one what, bean class, and just let's see that, right? Let's see that first application execution, guys. Because of that, for execution purpose we took this much time. So I'm going to means anything you can use what, sts, eclipse id or anything, right? I'm going to use what, sts, right? Sts tool means sts id to develop, right? To develop what application. Now I'm opening this. So let's till it's opening now, let's understand one application, which application we are going to write it, right? So I'm going to one just normal, right? I'm not going to explain any injection and all those things, right? I am using sts for spring. Can I do with you the program? Please use a proper sentence here, then I can understand fast. Can I do with you the program? Means I'm not understanding what you are trying to say now.
Hello. So I'm saying that can I also write the code with you so I can better understand? I'm on
Okay.
my system.
Now let's I will upload the video also. After then, if you're not able to, you can watch it and you can develop it, right? So just normal, I'm going to what? Just normal, I'm going to what? I will write one what? So I will write one what application, right? Like Hello Spring. Just I will write what? Hello Spring, right? Anything, ideally anything you can, id you can use, but I'm going to use sts only, right? I'm using sts id, but don't worry about that. Any id it will work, right? Application id is just what, to develop integrated, right? To develop the program only, right? So don't worry about that id, but I'm using what, I'm using sts, right? So now if you not able to what, if you not able to if you get any if you face any issue, right? At the time of development, ping me, I will help you at that time also, right? But first application, everybody, you have to what, do the practical, right? So now let's understand, right? Let's understand. So what we will do now, I will take just what, I will take just one class, right? That like this, what package, package what, com dot rk dot what, rk dot bean, I'm taking, right? Bean. In that package, what I will take, one public class lib I will take. This is core java code I'm writing, right? Core java code I'm writing, and how we will write in the spring, right? In the core java, right? In the core java, just I'm writing first bean, right? First bean, this is the core code, core java code. See boss, this is the core java code only, right? In that I'm writing one method, right? Public, I don't want anything return type, right? Just show, I will show one message, show. So I will show that one message, right? Now in that, just I'm writing what, system.out.println, and normal. Still I'm not giving any logic. Just you people, you people will habituate, right? Once if you people habituate it, right, then you people will having the capacity to write big logics, right? Now system.out.println, right? Println, right? Println. In that, just I'm writing welcome to what, welcome to what, spring. Just this message must be I will show that where, I will show that what, where, in the spring console. So now I said that spring container, if you want to work on a spring container, how many input, one input is ready, means bean is ready. So we have need to configure it also, right? We have need to configure this bean, right? So how we will configure, I will configure based on the xml. So I will take like beans tag is there. I said that beans, right? Inside that beans, open tag and close tag, beans tag, right? Plural form, beans. It's having one, right? Bean, right? Bean, bean having what, bean, again close it, bean, again close it, right? After then I said that, right? Bean having properties, property name means what, id equal to what, id equal to what, we will take anything, means just I will take first bean, fir, based on the container will recognize it. Okay, you are calling this bean object, right? Just I'm taking what, bean in the double quote. Just first I'm taking that, right? In the double quote and a single quote also you can make. Second attribute, to tell which class you want to instantiate class. So class tag is there. In that fully qualified package name is with package name, what is that, com.rk.bean, right? com.rk.what, bean, right? Bean dot what, first class name, first bean, right? We will write what, bean. Like this we will configure it, right? So now these two input, but in any name, right? Just I'm saving this file name with what, first spring xml, spring.xml, extension must be what, xml, right? So this is our small application, we are going to write it, and we will see that, right? So now again if we want to activate it, right? If we want to activate our application, what, which one, xml, I will write these things in the same application only, right? So now let's understand. Now let's develop one project, means new file. We will select file new. See, in my application Maven project here showing that if anybody will not find this folder, what you will do, go in other, right, go inside the other, just select, search Maven, see Maven. Now select the Maven project. Next, in that, right, in that I said you people two quick explain. I explained here how many, if you want to develop what standalone application, two facility, what Maven people is given, what two facility. One is Maven archetype quick start for standalone application, and for web application Maven archetype web app, right. So I'm going to create what Maven archetype quick start application. So what we will do now, just we will next it, right, next it. See here, quick start, right, Maven archetype quick start 1.1 version is there. Just another, don't select this one only, because this quick is means this archetype is only to develop what is standalone application. Select it, next it, right. So now here what you will tell, group ID means in which company application you are going to, whenever we will build it based on this name, right, based on this name our application will so just org.rk dot what, just I'm taking first bean, right. Now here we will take, give the project name, right. Means project name is what, application, first application, just I'm writing. Application, right. Now 1.0, now 1.0, now finish it. See, the project will create. Now project is created. I said that, right, folder structure, right, folder structure, but Maven 1.5 version by default is giving what. So what is that? See, src main java, src test java, but one folder is not there. If one folder is not there, see what folder I explained, src main java, src main resource, but resource folder is not there, right, resource folder not there. See, in the project resource folder is not there. If resource folder, but src test java means this folder is there. See, src test java, this folder is there, but src main resource folder is not there. If any folder is not there, what we will do now, let's see that, right. We will go inside that what, src main, right, in the main what we will do now, right click on the mouse and we will select new, and in that we will create one folder here, folder is there na, folder, see resources, right, resources. Now finish it. See, the folder is created, but still our folder is not look like this, right. So what we will do now, right click on the project, go in the Maven, right, go inside the Maven and update it, go inside the Maven and update the project, right. After updation, what you will get, see, you will get the resource folder also here. See, src main resource, we got it or not, like whatever I explain in what, as a diagrammatically those things I'm able to showing you people are not, as what practical also are not. See now src main resource, now we have one more folder or not, src. See, src means src main resource folder is there, right. So our folder structure we got it, right, but j2 we will work on what, 1.5 version. We want 1.8 version to work, right. So what we will do now, we have need to work on Spring framework, right. So we have need what, dependencies. So we will open that pom.xml. In that pom.xml we will go inside that what, central repository. In the central repository, what we will search it is spring context Maven dependency, right, Maven dependency. See the spring context Maven dependency, and we will copy this one, right. Any, don't copy latest version, some big bug is there, try to copy one or two version old, right. Now copy this one and go inside what, in the pom.xml in our eclipse id. So dependency is there, right, dependency is there, inside that dependency paste that one. After pasting that, we can change using Eclipse IDE also the compiler version, but that is not recommended. So what we will do now, Maven, we will search is Maven compiler, right? On the internet, Maven compiler 8 plugin, right? So see first one, inside that what we will do now, we will copy this property, right? We will copy it from here to here. After then we will go inside that what our project. It's taking time, guys. Downloading dependency, right? In the local repository, this download happening from central to local only, right? It take time little bit.
Sir, my question is that
Yes, yes, yes.
it is compulsory that every time because I have I have one question.
if you if
That
you if you listen, if you know Hindi, you can talk with me, right? There is no problem in that.
ओके
Hmm.
सर अभी आपने जो एक
Hmm.
डिपेंडेंसी ऐड
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
की है स्प्रिंग फ्रेमवर्क की, ठीक है, और
Hmm.
उसके बाद आपने एक और डिपेंडेंसी डाली है वो कंपाइलर, तो
हाँ हाँ हाँ, कंपाइलर प्लगइन के लिए मैंने वो आई
मतलब
एडिट.
कंपाइलर जो आपने सेकंड डिपेंडेंसी ऐड की है उसके बारे में,
See, if you work on one, if you work every time
वो
the same.
नेसेसरी है एवरी टाइम वी हैव टू
No, no, no. That is
व्हेन वी
not a
वर्क ऑन स्प्रिंग,
see. That is not mandatory. But
या
you
हमको
know.
हमेशा वो यूज करना है कंपाइलर डिपेंडेंसी जो आपने भी ऐड की है?
So no, no, no. Compiler. See, what I'm doing that I'm changing the what compiler version at a Java 1.8. If you comfortable work on 1.5, you can no problem in that, right? Don't put here another dependency. No need, right? To I English, please. Ha, Noor. Actually, he is some doubt, and he because of that. Okay. So this is not mandatory, right? Just here, see by default what our Maven tool is giving us what 1.5 version. So I don't want 5 version, 1.5 version. I want 1.8 version. Because of that, what I explicitly I did this what this is this property to change this what 1.5. This is not mandatory, guys. If you comfortable 1.5, you can work it. It will work at that time. But if you work on what Java 1.8 version things, then it will be giving us problem, right? So now all required dependencies added in our what, see in the dependencies added inside what our class path. So now let's where we will create bean classes. I said that, right? I said here in the src main Java we will write spring bean, right? Spring bean. So let's write this class, right? So let's write this class where we will write inside this package, right? This is the first application, guys. After then you people become expert, right? So now what we will do now, we will select class. We will select class. In that class what we will by default package is giving, no, we know don't want, we want what, 1 minute. By default some package also will create inside these things. If we not delete it, no need these things, right? Delete it. By default our in the folder you will get our applications will create some folder, no need, right? Inside that what you will do now, see src java main, right click on that, go inside that what class. Here what you will take com dot rk dot what beans, right? Beans file, right? So now what, first bean, right? First bean. Just I'm writing now. I'm doing what? Just I said that, right? I said that this is what, this is the bean class, right? Inside that what I will write one public method, public void. So public void. So just this is the core Java. Think about that core coding we are writing that, right? So now here welcome. Welcome to spring application, right? Welcome to what, spring application. We wrote what, one bean class, but I said that spring having what, need two inputs. So where we will write in the resources folder, let's go inside that. We will create what, we will select C. We will select Spring Bean configuration file, right? We will see if anybody will not find, go inside that other, right? Others, and here search it Spring C. Here showing that, right? Select that one, right? Now next it, and here any name spring.xml, but xml, this one must be what, this one must be what, extension name. So now next, click next, not finish, next. Select beans, right? Beans, what namespace is there, select this bean namespace, and whenever you will select, right, the downside also some namespaces will come. First one, select first one. Now next and finish. Okay, now see how we got it, right? I said that in the what, whenever, see, beans tag is there, so beans tag we got already, right? Our Spring people is given when we created, see, got it, right? So but if we want to configure this beans inside bean, right? So what we will take, this tag, right? One tag is there, bean tag, right? It's having what, sorry, here not is, id is there, right? Id is there, here class. So what we will do now, let's write it, bean tag, right? Bean tag we got it, right? Is having what, one attribute. It's in the attribute for recognizing the container, right? Just first, I'm giving one name, right? Inside that, again another attribute is what, class, right? Again another attribute I took, what, class. But I said that we have need to give what, fully qualified name with package package with what, class name, right? So what is that, first, right? First, see, with fully qualified name, I com.rk dot beans file first bean. See com.rk.beans file, com.rk.beans file, first bean, right? So like this we will write the what, xml, we develop what, two input, right? As diagrammatically what I said, our application need what, two input, what, Spring Bean and Spring configuration, and that configuration can be xml, can be java, can be annotation. So here we are creating that xml configuration using what, xml file only, right? So xml file only now. So let's activate. I said that we have need to activate IOC container, what, using what, application context, class path and a file. These two things I will show that now only, and another things we will see in the next session, right? So now these two things, no. So let's, what we will do now, let's test it, right? So I said that if we want to perform any testing, so where we will just create one with main method here only inside that, right? So now com.rk.test file with main method, right? With main method, what now? So I said that, right? So how we will create it, that object, see in the diagram, how application context AC equal to new class path xml, right? So now let's, now so we will get it, right? Application context AC equal to new what is that, what is the its implementation class path xml application. Because what, because see, because why we are going to take this one, because this project is there, inside that project only our what xml configuration is there. Because of that we are going to take what, that implementation class. What implementation class we are going to take? We are going to take what, uh, class path xml application, right? Class path, what is that, class path xml application, right? Inside that what we will do now, we will pass that, which one we will pass it, see, yeah, spring xml, we will pass that, what, we will pass it, what, spring xml in the double quote, right? Yeah. So now, okay, so then if we want to read the object, means from the container, right? If we want to read the if we want to read what object from the containers, right, we have what factory method. That factory method bean factory method, right? AC dot what? AC dot get bean. AC dot get bean, right? Get bean. And this is what? This is what? This is what? Two parameterized method, right? This is what? Parameterized, two parameterized method. First it will take what? First it will take what? The logical name of what? Come to here. Come to here. From what I take first, I take, right? So we will copy this one and we will pass in this argument as a double quote, right here. Now again what we will do now, again we will what it's having class object, it's taking class object. So what we will do now, we will take what? This bean, right? Bean is there, right? Our bean, first bean. So we will dynamically what? First bean dot class. It will load it, right? It will load it. Now again it return what? The same object. It will return what? Same object, first bean. First bean fb. Just I'm writing this one. Now let's call it, right? Let's call which method? Which method is there inside that bean? Which method is there inside bean? See, show method is there, right? So let's test it. Fb, we will take this reference of fb and a dot what? Show method. Let's show method, we will call it, and let's run it, the application, and we will see that our expected output is coming or not. See, welcome to Spring. Welcome to Spring application. We got the result or not? So how many, see, whatever things I explained here, everything I used or not? Whatever things I explained as a what diagrammatically, everything I used or not? And the application is not taking too much time, but explanation is took what? How much time? See, boss, I know that how to present the things, right? In because in the company, my presentation also too good. So because of that, right? So now dependency injection, right? All those things is there. So we will learn those things tomorrow, right? So now till now, anybody having any doubt, let me know that, right? So unmute yourself and ask the questions, guys, right? And any in a small case of Spring Ravi, summer what? But Ravi here, Spring.xml file small case or not? Small case means means I took small only, na. This is the file name, small case or not? Yeah, small case only. Summer. Yeah, case sensitive, small case only, right? Small case. Now any doubt till now? Whatever. Padma, Ayodele, Fahad, Padma.
Yes, sir. One question is there.
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir. Everything is clear.
My question is that when we are taking that .xml,
Mm-hmm.
can we directly search a .xml file and uh, can configure?
You can speak Hindi also, no problem. Fahad, I can understand because I know the Hindi, right?
ओके सर. सर आपने SRC मेन और रिसोर्सेज में आपने जो स्टेप लिया था स्ट्रिंग डॉट एक्सएमएल जो ऐड किया है उसके लिए आपने एक स्टेप बताया था स्ट्रिंग कॉन्फ़िगरेशन.
Anything. See, boss, you can take. I said here, I explained already, right? You can take any name. You can take it, right? There is no problem in that.
So my question is that we can directly take we can directly search for .xml and take any name, no?
We can search directly means I'm not understanding
For
your question.
example, you have sir आप प्रोग्राम पे आइए जहाँ पे आप
See here in the test case, right? In the test case, what I pass in the implementation class, see here is spring.xml, right? So it will search in the it will search here in the what? In the class path only, and it will inject it, right? So because of that, in application this is spring xml configuration is there, it will by default search it, right? There is no problem in that. So now, but this file, one more thing, this file is not there inside what, this file is not there inside what, in this XML configuration, right? I'm copying this one and I'm pasting here, right? Just I'm pasting here. See, I will show the error also, after then I will give the what. So I'm pasting in this folder, right? Jo 1 minute. This one, in this folder I'm pasting it, right? See here I pasted this folder, right? This and after then what I'm doing, that I'm deleting from my project. I'm deleting what? I'm deleting these things in my project. Means in the project our what XML configuration file is not there, bean configuration file is not there. Now run it, we will get the error. See what we are getting, that see we get the error, right? Spring bean factory bean definition IOC spring XML documentation, see nested, this much error we are getting, that right? Means the XML configuration is not finding, right? So to but where it is there in out of what, so what we will do now, we will remove it, right? We will remove it and we will take which one, we will take which file, right? Which implementation class. Please mute yourself now, mute yourself now. File, now
System.
now file system,
file system.
now file system, yes, yes, tem system XML application context, right? Now inside that what we will do now, again we will go in that folder, right? Which one? Yeah, this folder, right? In this folder, what is that? In this folder, what is that? Now we will pass that, we will pass that one, again double slash, again double slash spring dot xml. Now run this application. Now see, you got the result or not? Means
Working file.
now means if a file system implementation class we are using, means this XML configuration if they are in the out of our project, then we will use this implementation class. If our if our file is there inside the project, then we will use what, then we will use a class path XML application context, right? Got it the point?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, mute yourself. Ayodele, any doubt is there? Mute yourself.
Hello, Ravi.
Yes.
Hello, Ravi.
Yeah.
Uh, yes.
Yes, Samar, ask.
Hello.
हाँ समर, I'm listening. Tell.
Okay. यहाँ पर आपने पहले कैपिटल स्प्रिंग डॉट एक्सएमएल लिया था, राइट? और अब आपने स्मॉल स्प्रिंग डॉट एक्सएमएल लिया है.
Yes.
मैं इसके बारे में बात कर रहा था पहले.
Okay. See, boss, you
So
can
this is
see, you can take any things, right? Just I at the time
okay.
explanation I wrote wrong, but always follow naming
Right.
convention. XML naming convention is in small only, right?
Yes, yes. मैं इसी के बारे में बात कर रहा था पहले आपसे, किस सेंसिटिव और नॉट.
Yeah. See, that is the you can do it, right? There is no problem in that, but that is not recommended. You have to take a small letter, right?
Okay. But here not mandatory small case sensitive or not, है ना?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Now, guys, 1 minute meeting is just 1 meeting. 1 minute meeting is there. Now, Ayodele, any doubt?
मेरा भी नहीं
I only want to confirm one thing.
Yes.
In our company, what's the best ID that is being used so as to get familiarized with it?
I think from your side, network issue is there. Please, Ayodele. I think network issue is there.
What are the best ID to use? Okay, I will use a test.
Oh, sorry.
I will use tests. I will use my chat.
He is asking that which ID